Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana. So in today's video, we have this another question where they are asking 12.5% of 1600, and you cannot use calculator. You need to calculate it in your head. Okay. So whenever you see 12.5%, try to understand this. Okay. We know that 100% is complete number, complete one, right? Whenever we are finding out percentage, suppose I give you a square and I ask find 50% of it. 50% means like half of it, right? If I ask you to like color half of it or color 50% of it, then what would you do? Color half of it, right? This is 50%, right? So similarly, if I do half of 50%, that would be equal to 25%. And we know that 25% is what? It is 1/4 of 100, right? 25 is 1/4 of 100. So 25% is nothing but 1/4. Similarly, what is half of 25? That is 12.5, right? So that means half of 1/4, that will be 1/8. So 12.5% of any number is nothing but 1/8 of that number, right? So that means if we are ever asked to find 12.5%, then what can we do? We can just divide this number by 1 by 8, right? So if I divide 1600 by 8, what do I get? I get 200, right? So this type of things we can calculate in our head if we know this concept that 12.5% is nothing but 1.8, 1 by 8, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And for Maths Olympiad questions, you can visit my channel. You will get many playlists there. I have covered many beginner to pro topics. Okay. So you can visit and check out the playlist. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.